Next on the menu is a beautiful eggplant that I cubed, and then 2 onions in a whole stick of butter. And I'm going to cook the eggplant in the onions after the onions caramelize and add marinara sauce, which I'm going to get out of the fridge here from the grocery store. Okay, as you can see, the onions are pretty well caramelized. That brings out the sugars and makes it super yummy. We've got eggplant, and I decided to add the leftover squash and zucchini and add some cauliflower with the pasta sauce. And I'll probably top it off with some Parmesan, so that should be good. Okay, so here you have all your vegetables that I put in there, and I'm just simply going to dump this entire container of sauce and stir it up, and hopefully it'll be super yummy. All right, so here we have it. Our vegetable pasta. Well, it's not pasta, it's vegetable. I topped it with Parmesan cheese and a beautiful salad with some blue cheese and sunflower seeds. So it'll be hearty and yummy.